So, hey, a lot of people talking about showing up. Some people denigrating on my showing up rule. It is, ladies and gentlemen, not 80% of success, regardless of what anyone tells you. It is probably more like 99.9% of success. And anybody that says otherwise is just trying to get some attention unnecessarily, because I already love all you guys. Check it out. Like, if you don't show up, you have no chance of anything happening. And once you show up, physically show up, then you got a chance of the rest of you showing up and you being freaking unbelievable superstar. But if you don't show up for the audition, the sales call, the speaking gig, whatever it is, you don't show up for work, man, nothing. If you don't show up and buy that lottery ticket, you can't win it. Then you got to get a little lucky. Then you got to persist. Then you got to do all the other things you got to do. But first, you got to show up. Good morning. You got to show up, man. Come on, nothing happens. Nothing happens unless you show up, okay? Hey, show up.